make your stomach blow up.
No, did you do that once?
And it's also Mentos and soda.
Oh yeah.
I feel weird.
Turn off all my lights. I can't see.
Oh.
We're ready.
Are you ready, Gabby? What if I give this to Daddy?
No.
Why?
No Pop Rocks for dogs. Put them in your mouth.
They are.
You make a pop? Are you gonna crunch again? Oh.
Here, have some.
Me?
I just dropped a whole thing.
Oh, great. So JD will get them. Yeah, they're on your sticky fingers. Oh! It's my face! Here, JD.
It hurts.
Here, JD.
It hurts my tongue.
Oh! We're trying to give JD Pop Rocks.
Tomorrow night
You can have them?
You think they'll make noise in his mouth?
Does he like them?